Today, we want to do expansion of algebraic expression. Recall that k squared is the short form of writing k multiplied by k. And likewise, the short form of writing 2 multiplied by y is 2y. And likewise, a into bracket s plus y is the short form of writing a multiplied by into bracket s plus y. So anytime that you are asked to expand or remove brackets, the following rules have to be used. Number 1, when you have a in bracket of x plus y, by the time you use a to open the bracket, you are going to have a multiplied by x plus a multiplied by y. And the result will be ax plus ay. And likewise, when you have a into bracket s minus y, by the time you use the value of a that is outside the bracket to open the bracket, your result will be as minus ay. And likewise, when you use minus a to open the bracket of s minus y, your result will be minus as plus ay. If you take note, you will discover that the sign change. Why? Because minus times minus will give us plus.